You're watching How Leap. Let's get the missing App Store back on your iPhone. First, check if it's been restricted. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps. Ensure the toggle next to App Store is turned on and green. If it was off, turn it on and the icon will reappear on your home screen. If that doesn't work, the app may be hidden in a folder or on a different home screen page. Swipe left on your home screen and use the search bar at the top by swiping down, then type App Store to find it. If it's still missing, restart your iPhone, hold the side button and volume button, then slide to power off, turn it back on. As a last resort, reset your home screen layout. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then Reset Home Screen Layout. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.